On you! Whoa, 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 whoa. Go! Go, Quad Nation! Let's go ahead and race QUADNATION Junior. This is gonna be epic. Look at QUADNATION Junior. Get right here, son. Keep going backwards. Go right there. All right, son, pull up. All right, QUADNATION Junior, are you ready? You know how Daddy does this, right? When I say on you, when you're ready, you go full send, 100% throttle. All right, are you ready? On you. Oh, I forgot to put it in gear. Whoa, he beat me. He beat me. He's getting fancy on that Raptor. Son! You beat me! Fist bump! Let's do 2 more, bro. Best out of 3. Come on. Alright, Daddy's not going to forget to put it in gear this time. On you! It won't shift! Oh, there we go! Oh, shoot! It's strong! Ah! The Apollo! Ah! It's not working right! Ah! I barely beat him on that one. See guys, the Apollo still has tons of power. I just don't know why it has that bad vibration. Oh, I just felt it real bad just then. Oh, he's getting real fancy. Last one, son. I won one, you won one. This makes This makes the champ right here, buddy. On you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Go, go, Quad Nation. Oh! The engine is out. I blew it up. Oh! No, no, no. Oh, son! You beat Daddy! Fist pump! No, real one, buddy! No, harder. Put some strength in your wrist, bro. Boom. Alright. Let's tell Grandma to come back. Oh, man, look at him, guys. Yeah, do one.
Hi, up here.
Okay. Get it, Quad Nation Junior. Get it, boy. Good job. Hey, fist pump to that, buddy.